Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to review the top 5 best GoPro cameras just for you. Here I have tested 5 different best GoPro cameras to see which one offers value for your money. If you're looking for a good product in terms of quality and price, then all of them are reasonable. These products are budget-friendly and offer the best of the best. Here's a summary of each product's usefulness, why you should buy it, and what to watch out for. I've compiled a list of these 5 best products based on my user experience to help you make a quick decision as a buyer. So let's get started. Product number 1. Akaso EK7000 for casual adventurers. Having used the Akaso EK7000 sports waterproof camcorder, I can say this budget-friendly action camera surprised me with solid performance for its price. Its 4K video capability and wide-angle lens captured crisp outdoors footage during hiking, swimming, and cycling trips, and the included waterproof housing gave me confidence underwater up to 30 meters, which is impressive at this price range. The dual batteries kept me shooting throughout the day without rushing for a recharge. The built-in Wi-Fi and remote control made controlling shots easy, even when mounted. What stood out was the accessory bundle. It came with plenty of mounts and a remote, making it great for first-time users. However, the battery life when recording 4K can be limited, and stabilization isn't as advanced as high-end GoPros, resulting in a bit of shake during fast action. Still, for casual adventurers, its price-to-features ratio is excellent and fun for everyday outdoor use. Product number 2. GoPro Hero 13 Black for professional. Using the GoPro Hero 13 Black has been a game changer for my action footage. This flagship GoPro delivers stunning video quality up to 5.3K at 60 FPS, making every adventure look cinematic, from mountain biking to ocean kayaking, with smooth, hyper-smooth 6.0 stabilization that rarely needs post-editing. Its rugged design feels rock solid and waterproof straight out of the box up to 10 meters, so I never worry about rain or splashes. Dual screens, a large rear touchscreen, and a front display make framing vlogs and selfies super easy. Battery life feels improved over older models, and magnetic mounts make setup a breeze. The only drawbacks I noticed are that the low light performance isn't dramatically better than previous GoPros, and the accessories, like lens mods, add to the cost. But if you want professional-grade footage and versatility, this is one of the best action cams you can buy. Product number 3. OddV 4K 60 FPS for adventurers. The OddV 4K 60 FPS action camera impressed me as a capable alternative when I wanted high-resolution footage without paying GoPro prices. Shooting crisp 4K video at 60 FPS and snapping 30-megapixel photos was easy, and the dual screen with a rear touchscreen and front display made setting up shots intuitive, especially for selfie-style vlogs. The rugged, waterproof case allowed underwater recording up to around 132 feet, which was perfect for snorkeling and swimming. The included 64GB memory card and remote control were practical add-ons straight out of the box. Built-in electronic image stabilization smoothed most footage nicely, though very high-speed action showed a little shake compared to premium cams. Battery life was decent, roughly 90 minutes per battery at 4K, but I learned to carry spares for extended sessions. Given its price range, this camera offers excellent value for adventurers who want strong all-around performance without a premium GoPro budget. Product number 4. GoPro Hero 12 for enthusiasts and creators. After using the GoPro Hero 12 Black, I can confidently say it hits a sweet spot between power and usability. Recording up to 5.3K video at 60 FPS with improved hyper-smooth stabilization gave me the smoothest action footage I've captured from trails to surf. What impressed me most is the enhanced battery life. I easily got through long outdoor sessions without worrying about constant recharge breaks, and the color depth, thanks to 10-bit video options, made editing more flexible and vivid. The camera is rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters, so it handled rain and splashes effortlessly. While its sensor and overall performance feel similar to the Hero 11 or Hero 13 in many ways, the Hero 12 still delivers pro-level footage and usability at often lower prices since it's a slightly older GoPro model. If you want premium quality without paying flagship prices, this is a great buy for enthusiasts and creators.
Product number 5. GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini. My experience using the GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini was all about convenience and quality in a tiny package. This compact version delivers the same high-resolution 5.3K video and smooth, hyper-smooth 5.0 stabilization that GoPro is known for, but in a form that's easier to mount on helmets or gear without bulk. It was perfect for POV shots during bike rides and skateboarding, and live streaming directly worked great whenever I wanted to share adventures in real time. The simple one-button control makes filming effortless, but if you want deep manual control or advanced accessories, the Mini is slightly limited compared to full-size GoPros. Still, its size-to-performance ratio is excellent, and its waterproof design means I could shoot in rain or near water without hesitating. It's an ideal pick for those who want high quality without the heft and complexity of larger action cameras.